Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this digital food scale. This thing is perfect because I like to count my macros to make sure that I'm on track with all of my healthy eating. And this is going to be such a great helper in my kitchen. So it's actually just a food scale that weighs up from 1 gram all the way up to 11 pounds. Super slim design. And it's only about 7 inches across and 8 inches long. So you can store this thing in any drawer, easily be able to get it out and measure your food. It does have a 304 stainless steel top. So if you did want to put some surface on there that you want to wipe off easily, clean it up, that is all okay. On the back here, you do have 3 AAA batteries, which are included. That was awesome. You just got to take the little cover off. You're good to go on the batteries. You've got some non-slip grips here on the bottom as well. And then you have your nice high-def LED screen right here. So I'm going to bring you in here close and we will put this thing to the test. So here's the scale up close. So you can see how thin and beautiful that is. And then to turn it on, it is super simple. You just tap the button. It comes up super bright. You have your unit over here. So you have ounces, grams, milliliters, and pounds. So now to put it to the test, once we put it on here, I just want to see how many ounces of blueberries I'm going to have. And I don't want to just set them on there. So I'm actually just going to recalculate it. I'm going to put my container on there and then just press right here. Recalculate it at 0. And then I can measure out how many ounces of blueberries that I want to have. Once you have your amount of ounces in there and you want to convert it over, you can easily just press the button and it instantaneously changes from what you need to have. Then you know as you're making your recipes or like my purposes, counting the macros, I have exactly what I want to have. I can track my food, my diet, or if I'm measuring for different recipes, this will do a great job with everything on here. And it does turn off after 2 minutes. So whenever I get distracted, this will just turn off all on its own, or you can just press and hold and it also turns off.